What's going on? I hope so. There's a gap. What's going on? I hope so. Hang on, I'm not even prepared. There's a gap. Oh my god. Alrighty then. I gotta change this. I gotta change that. Blah blah blah. There's a nice gap. GLBS. Right over resistance. What a charming little thing that thing is. Watch for the fills. It's got some good volume. 963% average volume. There's another one. Miners. This little thing. It's 200% of the average volume. TMIBF. I have no idea. I can't get it. TM. TMI. What's going on, Urban Hippie? I got your tip. Thank you very much. Anyways, this one gapped to 18. So it's not breaking out yet. Needs to get above 20. All the gaps come off the open. Probably start pre-market. This one looks like it wants to fill. Showing a falling star on the open. This one's filling now. Watch for this to come all the way back in, and the volume's really good, so let's see if we can catch it. We're breaking out on the monthly. If we can get the turn. You be patient. A gravestone doji right up there. So be patient. Let it come in. I got support coming in down at 2.24. Hopefully it'll bounce right off of here, but previous highs are support on the way in. So let's see if we can get that. Yeah, the rad looks good. Turning the corner there. It's got to get above the 8. But it's the bullish retrace, the same old situation. Over the 34, right back into the 34. Watch for the previous high breaks all the way up. Here's one that might be breaking. Nept. Not too much going on over here. IGC still moving. I should have caught that one already. Covering up my oil. I didn't fix my watch list yet, so. CIE, still waiting for this thing to gear up. It's almost ready, it looks like. Here comes SLNO coming into support, so we can't get the turn. It's got great volume, 25% of the average volume now. The gap is 38% of the move. GLBS gapped over resistance. Let that fill as well, I guess. Surely hope so. Yeah, it's low. Let's see how the indices are doing so we can catch up to things. Watch that CLNO bouncing off the 13. Let's get above previous highs. Could be a bearish retrace, so be patient. $0.10 is not going to kill anybody. There you go. Let it come in. S&P look very bearish. Gapped up, and maybe another exhaustion gap at the top. We'll see how we close in today. Does it run or does it fill in? Sign weekly. What you got going on, Maria? Oh, are you talking about CLNO? No. Sign. Is that an actual ticker? Oh my God, Maria, you're killing me. Too early for fat fingers. Yeah. See all the exhaustion gaps on that silver? No, GDX. All the some CLNO. Oh yeah, nice moves, Maria. GDX, all the exhaustion gaps, and then the reversal today. That's a 3-bar reversal working on GDX. Island reversals working on GDXJ. JNUG, island reversal. Nugget, 3-bar reversal. Bullish piercing. I don't understand that one. Is it a breakaway gap? This one's breaking down. I don't know if I should trust it. It's going to break down. It's going to cover the whole gap. Got to turn. I don't trust it. It's oversold. It's got to turn. Follow volume. This one's filling. Maybe it's just a gap and fill this morning. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. $12.70 is the break on JNUG. Coming out overbought situation right now. So that's a 5-minute chart. Let's see if I can get that 1 minute back up. Let's see it come on in. Slam it everything down. There you go, Maria. Good job. 2-bar reversal over the resistance. It's a runner. Watch for the 4 o'clock break. Four to 5. Run the 5 into previous lows. Best guess scenario. There. JNUG following. Nice little hammer. See if we can't find a bottom. Looking for a strong weekly close. Some hammers. Drug it through the mud, and then Friday's close brings it on back up, showing hammers. Oh, it'd be nice to see how it works out. Yeah, that was the exhaustion move. If you see the title of my video yesterday, it was Bitcoin at 15,000, which makes it timeless. Just kidding. There's no way to know if Bitcoin would come back to 15 in one day. All the way to 20 and back to 15 in one day. That is crazy. Yeah, the measured move is 12, and I think a spike low would be 10, yes. Absolutely. Bitcoin. I think Coinbase is one that reported the exhaustion move into 20. Yeah, there's no way I would chase that, Maria. She's hot. See if we can get an opposing point. What is going on, Maria? Is EGAN or CAN? Which one are you talking about? Definitely not that one. So is it ECAN? Is that what you mean? Nope. EGAN. All right, I got it right. All right. Now there's no way I would chase that. Not me, anyways. Miles. What happened to Miles? Yeah, I like that Miles. I wonder where it is on my watch list here. I don't see it popping anywhere. Looking for green lights. Comes a turn, following the trend. See if we can't get above 1270. Can't chase my women either. End up destroying my feelings. Looking for the runners. Here's something special right there. Over the 34, back into the 34. See if this can get a little hook. I don't know about this one. Nothing. GBLX. I already talked about that, I think. You're not? Oh, you're not? You're not chasing it? What's going on today, Maria? You got a handful of kids? Oh, I'd love to chase you. Mm-hmm. The smart ones. It's hard to catch a smart one. Friday babysitting. Still coming in. Yeah, we got a lot of reversals happening in the miners. Way oversold. It's good to see. Let's see how good we can get a Friday close out of these things. CIE up 11%, something to watch. Above, breaking into previous lows above 50. So pay attention to that. It's at 48. It's only 15% of the average volume. Oh, that looks good. It's only had one, two, three. It's only had a week of volume throughout history, it looks like. That looks good. CLNO still coming all the way in. We would chalk that off as a gap and fill, not a gap and run. AMBS just took a little kicker. That's nice. Watch for the previous breaks. It's at 5.5. AMBS. Looks like the best one we've seen. Aside from, what was that last one you posted? PXS. I gotta put that in here. There she is. I don't know, I'd watch for a lower high first, and then watch the double tops. That's looks like a good mover. Could be 100% move into the previous highs, so looks good. AMBS, I like that one. It just took off. It's coming into resistance, so be careful. But once it breaks resistance, I think monthly chart looks really good. Little monster brewing on AMBS. Little penny. You know about that the whole Jerusalem thing. I can understand where people are pissed off, but I wonder what kind of deal was made. What did he get out of it? I think maybe the Israelis turned over some evidence against because news came out right after that through the UN that someone's in the White House going to take out the Trump family. So Trump's got to do what he's got to do. And we got to do what we got to do to get rid of these evil people. Waiting for that turn on CLNO. Could happen. But the first move is going to be bearish retrace, so it's got a lot of work to do since the breakdown. Burr picked up just now across the 34 on the daily. Burr, catch the big boy. Burr. It flashing. Remember. Burr just picked up the pace. I'm going to take the lead here shortly. Burr. See the messenger come across? Burr. Well, many presidents before him have talked about it, so I think we should mind our own business from now on. Foreign entanglements. It's a big mess in this country. China is going to be the new empire because they're investing in their infrastructure and staying out of foreign entanglements. And how many trillions of dollars we wasted on stupid fake shit. All the terrorism is all made up. It's just a joke. Burr. J-Nog is still struggling. CLNO, you might get a little pop. Looking for some volume. CLNO. There it is. Cross the 8 into the 13, back into the 8 for support. Oh, the whole reason for the central bank. We wouldn't have 3 world wars if it wasn't for the central banks. CLNO, the turn. CLNO, 5,000% of the average volume. I'm guessing this thing's going to be thin on the upside. It'll just pop. AMBS, Burr, CLNO now. PXS, I think that dropped just a tiny bit, but she's a mover. It's above previous highs on PXS, so keep your support. AMBS just hit 5.5. That's the break. 5.5's the break. A nice little mover. UHE should be coming in. NDEV over the 34 back into support, the double back. Watch for the 45 break. If you didn't catch it on support, buy the break. it fell below 2. That's a struggle on that daily. It had support coming across at 34, dropped, bearish retrace. I would look for lower prices on the daily. It's coming out of oversold though, so I could be wrong. This could be just a weird anomaly across the 34, gathering its legs and trying again real quick. But has plenty of room to come back in the previous breaks. And it broke below 2, the emotional spot. So it's got a lot of work to do to get above there. If you can, I would say if you get above 2, then you'll have support. But right now it's below the 34. The 8 and the 13 are crossing over. It looks like a little momentum problem. Not enough excitement up there above 2. I'm going to drop it, get some more excitement, carry it above again. Looks like the OBV crossed over too. Last week almost. A 2-bar reversal at the top, double top, 2-bar reversal. I think you're best to wait to see if you can get above 2. CLNO still got that volume cooking. CLNO looks like a great mover. It's coming out of oversold though, yo-yo. So you might have a chance to get above 2 here shortly. A hammer, not much of a double bottom, but it's got the action. Just be sure to get above resistance, that 2 spot. You gotta have support. JNUG's falling over. It's not enough for JNUG to have a good day. It's just got to have a good day, and then it's got to drop back into it. JNUG. XS. Still moving. Good call, Maria. That did not show up on my scans. Actually, I didn't even do any scans today. Maybe I should do that now. PXS. Like I said, I'm going to fix my scan so I can just do one scan and I stop screwing around all morning on it. You bought it at 178. That's pretty good. Oh, was it a while back though? Yeah, use that 2 as your support if you can get back above it. PXS did not show up on my scans, Maria, so good job. I got a couple gaps on ZSL, ultra short silver. I don't know what that means right now. PALL, palladium. going on the scans? Tops looks good. Coming out of oversold, a little gap on the bottom, it looks like. Let's do it. Let's do it. Pixis tankers? Are those cargo containers? I don't know. We got a little research button. Transport company. Refined transporting petroleum. Coming out of Greece. Interesting. Oh, is that it? There we go. We got the connection then. Good job. Did not see that. I got tops in the scan. DRYS. I didn't see that yet. Maybe it's in there somewhere. That one needs to come back above. CLNO just dropped off the map. I would say that that's just going to fill all day. So let's stop looking at that. I'm done with you. Looks like tops and PXS other than DRYS. That's got a little work to do. Oh, that's good, Maria. Look at the monthly chart. It's got to get above those 8 and 13 previous highs, previous lows. It's got a gap at 160. It's got to fill it and get back above it. But that monthly chart could really just be a stinger. ERFB coming off the CLDR. Birdie, birdie, bird, 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 bird. Well, I'm watching that one earlier. The alerts are going off. All right, let's see what's going on with medical. Let's see if we can find something in medical. Study STDY was a medical gap. The RGS CARES back in it. Let's see what we can come up with. DXYS, what a What are you doing? AMBS. Oh, there she is. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I don't want to put it in there. Cancel. Medical. In TRP. Just a little bit more. Here comes JNUG. It's got to get above 1270. AMBS is the runner. Still on its highs. ERFB. ERFB. I'm not showing anything from Ameritrade's data feed, but 0.0039 ERF wireless. Looks like 136% of the average volume. Not a lot of volume, but looks like a mover. Across the 34 on the weekly. That's a nice little J curve. Look at that. Something to watch. Catch a break. AMBS, Burr, PXS, and I would watch ERFB, but ARDX, let's see what's going on over here. There we go. Things are settling in now. PXY, AMBS, BUR. And I want to watch the CIE. Must be a wall on AMBS. Hasn't moved off its highs. These will probably all fill and then continue on its momentum run later on in the day. Looks like. Catch it at support, wherever it stops. BKLLF, one of those blockchain thingies, turned to equity. I made a double on that one when it turned hemp. That was last year. UBQU. ACAN. Looks like it's a gearing up. ACAN. American Cannabis, I guess. Good call on the handle coming in. Wait for it to come in. Could take a couple weeks, but PXS gave up a little bit. It's coming back below previous highs. We need that previous high as support, so let it come in if it has to. Catch it up on the cheap. AMBS is breaking. Good. Looks like BUR, AMBS. This little guy popped its head up. Nothing yet. No volume anyways. No volume. What is that doing in the sheets? Let's get that out of there. Mountain High Acquisitions. So I can have a little run. Don't chase it. Look at that monthly chart though. Coming into resistance now. At 10 it looked like. Something to watch. Let it come in. Looks like cannabis is heating up on the long-term weekly breaks. CAMB. 70,000 the average volume. Definitely a volume breakout. Watch this one for previous highs. These things are all based on hype, I think, but why not make some money off the hype? 25 cents and above. Looks like Ego, Eldorado Gold. Looks like that's turning a corner there. Look how tight that is. Something to watch here. Resistance coming down really sharp and fast. Price consolidating sideways since the end of October. After the breakdown, watch this one as it's gathered its legs. It's going to try to recoup its losses for the year. Nice base and the break. Right at resistance. Something to watch there. Well, everything's slowed down. All the walls are up, I guess. Any PT breaking. Like continuation on the monthly chart. That could be nice. If it's true. QHC. Burr, 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 burr. Burr for the win. Come on. Give me 50%. Go. Off to 100. Nice bottom pattern on Burr, all the way from the bottom. We got previous lows at $1. So watch for resistance at $1 if it breaks. Well, it's already broke. It's already running, but don't chase it. You're not in it. I like this QHC. Pattern break. Could carry it over the monthly. Yeah, BCH was a good runner yesterday for 40%. When Bitcoin started to turn around, BCH just took off. Bitcoin Cash. I wonder where Bitcoin Gold is going to end up. Howdy doody. You missed everything, dude. It's almost, you're an hour late. I got Burr on the QT, but it's already running, dude. You might have 25 cents, but I'd say don't chase it. You're late. Yep, BCH, good job, man. LTC is next. Bitcoin Gold, I'm not sure what Bitcoin Gold is, but you should watch that one too. You know this, we talked about it. Let's just see where Bitcoin is. Because 15,000 is a good support level for Bitcoin. If it breaks down, it's going to 10. Looks like support at 12, spike low at 10 is very probable. If it wants to break all the way down, I got support at below 10 at 9. I need a better chart. What's this one? Yeah, Bitfinex is better. All in. Bitstamp. Stick to the big ones there, Jasper. Could. It very well could if it breaks down across the 34 on that daily. Or not the daily, the 60-minute. See how it breaks down and recovered so far. Came all the way down to 13.5 last night. I think it tapped 17. Came all the way back down. Imagine the moves. Imagine all the money. Well, I guess most of the trades are coming from China. So they're selling that top. And I'm looking at my Facebook page, and everyone's like, how do I buy Bitcoin? I'm like, you're late. China's going to sell it to you. You can go ahead and buy it. You're late. So if you do the measured move, very simply, very crude, very just in general, it made a measured move across, recovered. So let's see what happens. If Bitcoin takes off, I'm just going to ride with it because this thing moves like a, geez, 1,000 points an hour. Oh my God. I mean, I know it went higher, but let's just say 17 to 13 and a half overnight and then recover. That's a bunch of, oh my God. That's a bunch of money to be made. I'm still a big fan of EOS, obviously. Over the 34, back into the 34 on that hourly. But if Bitcoin takes off again, I'm just going to get out of the way and ride with it because nothing can stop it. Bitcoin gold, there it is. That's what I wanted to see. I'm thinking Bitcoin gold is way behind the curve here. It's going to have to pick up pace, catch up to Bitcoin Cash. It's only at 230. I screwed up my whole list, so it'll take me a minute to find things. Bitcoin Cash, good job on the 3-bar reversal. Over the 34, back into the 34 for support. Nicely done. Litecoin per dollar. I mean, what are you going to say? But Litecoin per Bitcoin, where is it? I don't think I have it. Let's just do Coinbase. There he goes. I think Litecoin is giddy up. I was screaming it all night at Jasper anyways. It's just taking a lot longer than BCH took off. Woo, good moves. Yeah. You just have to pay attention to Bitcoin. It's the mother. Got to do what she says. Respect your elders. I'm hoping for a nice turn on EOS, but if she wants to come back in, I'm all for it. I want more shares anyways. Well, it looks pretty good on that hourly so far. But yeah, that's a bearish retrace. It's got lots of room to come back in. 12,000 the first step, maybe a spike low. 10 if it wants to pop and start acting funny. I mean, the daily chart The 34 sits at 9,000. If that's a measured move coming across the 34, I mean, watch out below. That's a huge move, huge top, huge. Let's just make sure we hold support. Going sideways would be awesome. Going sideways would be just beautiful, and let all the cryptos catch up to it. What do you think about that? Who the hell's Jasper Friend again? Oh. Nice cup and handle break. Good job, Maria. That's beautiful. Watch for the fill, but monthly's on its tops too. I don't know how much more it could run. It's got a spike high. Nice cup and handle though. Resistance break right over the resistance. Cup, handle, bam. That's beautiful. I just hope it goes sideways. Let all the cryptos, the biggest rise in cryptos the world has ever seen. I'm ready. There's nothing wrong with some bubbles. Nothing. For a trader like me, I'll ride that bubble all the way up. Boom, boom, boom. Watch for those reversal bars and get the hell out. I haven't seen much of the uranium pop up lately. Just that one day it looked like everything popped all at once. Getting close to that monthly break, that's for sure. Gap to into resistance. You see that? CCJ gapped into resistance on the daily, but the monthly, that resistance sitting there. So I would watch for the monthly break above 11 for sure. UEC. Yeah, it's already broke. Look at the monthly chart over the 34 consolidated. Watch for the previous high breaks. Boom, boom. Gapped into resistance this morning as well. Might need to gather its legs a little bit, but looks pretty healthy. Especially that consolidation above the 34 on the long-term chart. That's the kind of stuff you want to see. Long-term break. The LTC per Bitcoin looks pretty good on that daily chart. It's ready to move. Giddy up. Pop, 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 pop. If anybody wants to join Jasper and I every evening at 5:30 for the new candle open for cryptos, let me know. I'll let you know how much Jasper's paying. If you want anything to do with it, you'll have to match what he pays. Think of it as a consulting, coaching opportunity. Buy yourself a coach. I'm just going to scroll through here. I don't see nothing going on Friday. I'm just going to scroll here. This is the Polynex. Let's skip to the dailies. This is Polynex list of cryptos. Just skipping through. Watching for the big ones. Watching for the reversals. BCH, nice reversal. BCH USD bouncing off of support. BCN is a lots of them got snookered. I was waiting for those daily charts. Remember, I was waiting for those daily charts to break out. All of a sudden, Bitcoin wanted to go to 20,000. Oh, okay, Bitcoin. See you later. Knocked everything back pretty hard. BTG. Something to watch on that. I'm really wanting to make some money off of that one. BTG. BTM over the 34, back into support. That looks like a little bullish runner. BTM. That's a little small one. Yeah, CCAM looks great. Everything got knocked back when Bitcoin decided. I was looking for those daily chart breaks. Dash got soft. EMC square, that was a big run in the last few days. EOS over the 34, back into the 34 on that daily chart. USD hit that, EOS per USD hit the $5 mark real quick. Everything got knocked back. FLDC. So that's the second one, over the 34, back into the 34. Those running against Bitcoin, those are the strong ones. Not very well known though, BTM or FLDC, I don't know. NAV is another one I like for bullishness, held up against the Bitcoin rise. NXT, hearing a lot of good news about that, and it's been rising with Bitcoin. A lot of work to do on the dailies. RIC, another one, over the 34, back into the 34. Got a double top showing, but maybe we can take it out soon. SBD, another big runner against Bitcoin's rise. That's stem dollars. A nice rise. Rising almost every day with Bitcoin. Steem. I'm waiting for Steem to follow Steem dollars. Strat looks good across the 34. STR, little banker coin. Of course, it's running with Bitcoin. ZEC for our turn on that one. That's it. Oh, Jasper. Good point, Jasper. Try it out for a week for free, Jasper says. He doesn't mind. Anyone that wants to join in on the crypto craze. I mean, when you like trading and there's a market open 24/7, I mean, I'm in hog heaven. Anyway, it's coming into the end here. I got to take off. If you want to contact me, I'm in the Rusty's Metal. I don't think I put my email in there because I changed it. rustysmetals@gmail.com if you want to join in. 5:30 Arizona time every evening when the new candles come out. I would say 5 o'clock, but that's when I'm still at work, so it doesn't do us any good. Ah. Oh, that's true. I can only handle a few people though. So if you want a personal touch, personal help, I'm all for it. But I'm just a one-man show, so I'm used to fasting. I'm used to binge and purging. Binge and purge, binge and purge. QHC. Looks like a good on its highs after an hour and a half of the day. It's a good sign. Breaking out of the pattern. Anyways, I gotta go. Yeah, I always hurt Jasper's feelings because I'm tough on him. But he needs a good kicking sometimes. Later, guys. I appreciate the comments there, Jasper. I would like to do this full time for everybody. And it wouldn't take too many clients to make it happen. I'm serious because I don't have a lot of bills. I do not have any debt except for the student loans I refuse to pay. Because they lied to me. They absolutely lied to me about how good the job I would have if I had a college degree. So I was unemployed for like 6 months back in the day after the real estate crash. And they kept calling me and calling me and calling me. I'm like, well, can you find me a job? Because I got this little piece of paper that says I got a college degree. I'm very qualified, and I can't seem to find a job. So you either find me a job or I'm just not going to pay you. I haven't heard from them for years. Anyways, I got to pay that anyway. I'll see you guys. Government loans never go away. So, anyways, I'll talk to you guys. I'm gonna fix my watch list so I can get things streamlined for you. I think the gaps are working out pretty well. I can find those runners at the beginning. Easy, easy, easy. Thanks, Maria, for all your help, keeping us on track. And oh yeah, hi ho silver. I have a girl coming in today to help me. I had a girl that quit on me, and getting another girl. But see, it's not just the vape shop. I sell metal buildings, and I'm usually doing quotes all day, helping doing customer service stuff, selling on the phone, and engineering steel buildings. I do a lot of things, but if I can do this, full time without doing the steel building part, the vape shop's easy. Vape shop. I do websites as well. I gotta do just as we're mentioning it, I guess I should. I got a new website coming. Let me see if I can find it real quick. This is for. I'm gearing up to go full time trading. So let me see if I can find it here real quick. It's not live. I'm just going to show you a preview. The reason why I'm doing this is because YouTube. What is vape? It's a e-juice, the electronic cigarettes. I make the juice to help people quit smoking. I've helped dozens of people quit smoking. And I make it. I don't think the FDA is going to like that for very much longer, but I'll outsource it after that. And then, yeah, I'll have someone to watch over the shop, or I'll sell it. That was the main idea, to build it up and sell it off. No problem. All right, well, don't be all weird. This is just a preview. This is my Steemit blog. I'm importing, and then I'm trying to. This is not set up right, but this is just a basic look of it, and I'll have it done here shortly. RustyTrades.com is what it's going to be. I'm glad I just have a few people in here, no trolls. I'm almost lucky that YouTube is not promoting me because I like the tight-knit groups. And anybody's welcome. But I'd hate to spend all day dealing with trolls and stuff. That would suck. So anyways, that's coming. The Ad Commodity Network, the blockchain advertising network, I was accepted. And I'm going to have their ads posted on my website, a little network. And that's to combat the censorship and the falling ad revenues from YouTube and AdSense. And then the Ad Commodity Network is coming up later on, the YouTube style video hub, and we can do live streaming. So that's coming pretty soon. I am not going to post on YouTube. It's not here yet, but anywho's, rustysmetals@gmail.com. Actually, no, yeah, keep that. rustysmetals@gmail.com if you're interested to just join in on fun. Especially you, Steely. I know you got a bunch of money you can give me. But you don't need any coaching, so. It's just an hour a night, 2 hours a night. I'll keep you abreast of any big moves or something to watch. But I appreciate you guys. I'm glad there's a tight-knit group, not a bunch of idiots running around. But I'll see you. I gotta go to work. It sucks. It sucks. I hate it. See you guys. Watch for the weekly review.